Could the US-Canada trade war actually affect the Ontario real estate market? Absolutely, but it could go both ways. So what could the trade war mean for Ontario real estate? Let's start with the potential negatives. Ontario is heavily connected to the US, especially through manufacturing and the auto industry. If tariffs hurt businesses, reduce investment, or lead to job losses, that could weaken consumer confidence and cause some buyers to hold off on purchasing a home. Higher tariffs can also increase the cost of certain materials and products, which could make construction and renovations more expensive. But there could also be some positives. If the trade tensions encourage Canada to diversify its trading relationships, invest more domestically, and strengthen Canadian industries, that could create new opportunities and make our economy more resilient over the long term. And if economic weakness eventually puts downward pressure on interest rates, lower borrowing costs could help improve housing affordability and bring some buyers back into the market. So I don't think it's as simple as saying the trade war is going to hurt real estate. It really depends on what happens with jobs, interest rates, inflation, construction costs, investment, and consumer confidence. And personally, I think Canada and the United States should be working harder to cooperate and strengthen the relationship rather than creating so much uncertainty. We're two countries that are deeply connected economically, and there are opportunities for both sides when we work together. For Ontario real estate, I'm watching the economy, not just the tariffs, because ultimately it's the impact on people's jobs, borrowing costs, and confidence that will determine what happens to the housing market.